Hello, welcome to the video. This video is all about GitOps project which we will complete in coming weeks. So we will start from developing a API endpoint and we will end with the deploying that API endpoint on Kubernetes cluster and monitor that API with the some monitoring tools, or we can say some logging tools like that. So let me quickly introduce you what tool we will use for completing this project. So first we will use FastAPI. It is a Python framework for building APIs. So we can say that if you don't know the FastAPI, so no need to worry about that. If you know a little bit of Python, I will cover the FastAPI part from the scratch, how to build the endpoints and what are the best practices to build the REST APIs. Then we will cover the Git part, and that we will use the GitHub because it's free of cost. Then we will learn how to develop the Docker image, or how to build the Docker image. We can say do not develop, build, how to build the Docker image from scratch and how to optimize that. Yeah, that's a lot of things comes here because everyone can build the Docker image, but we need to optimize this because if the image is having 1 GB of image with no use, but we can do the same work with the 300 MBs. So that's where the uh, perfection comes, we can say. Then we will learn about GitHub Container Registry, same as Docker Container Registry, but we are using GitHub, so we will use GitHub Container Registry. Then we will learn how to install Kubernetes on our own local machines. Then we will and some Kubernetes stuff, some important Kubernetes stuff, which will help us to debug things. Then we will use the tool called ArgoCD. This is the main tool where the GitOps things takes place. Then we will use Grafana Loki for the logging purpose. So that's all for this thing. And after that, maybe I will start another playlist with uh, DSA with Python. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you.